Sound of vowel E. Short sound. Red. Red has short E sound. Red sounds like bed. Phonic practice. Fed, led, read, wed, beg, leg, keg, peg, den, fen, hen, pen, jet, met, pet, wet, bell, sell, hell, well. Long sound. Read. When E and A come along. Short sound E becomes long. Phonic practice. Beat, heat, neat, seat, deal, heel, meal, seal. Beak, leak, peak, weak, flee, pea, see, tea. Bead, lead, plead, read.